Alright, quick rundown how to find mega loads of gold, silver and heavy metals. Now this is geology they don't teach slaves, so pay attention guys and girls. Alright, so find this impact ore. When you look closer at it, you'll see why. Alright, so this stuff is where all metals form. That's a fact. They're formed in impacts. So depending on what minerals hit each other determines what forms. So most impacts have iron. What happens when the iron heats really, really hot, say 3,000 degrees, and slams into other matter? Have a guess. It forms minerals, other minerals, heavy minerals, compresses minerals and forms them into other minerals. The heat, pressure and oxidation and the speed it hits at forms what? What's the main thing it forms? Forms iron glass. What happens when the iron glass carbonizes or oxidizes? What else does it form? Oxidation gemstones. Now, what happens when you know real alchemy? I mean real alchemy. Alchemy is chemistry. Earth chemistry. It's got nothing to do with the spiritual dumb shit you fallen scum humans believe in. Whatsoever. At all. So, once you get these rocks, and I mean, these have fucking shitloads of gold in them. These are fucking heavy. And I mean heavy. You can see the gold chip just sitting there. So this has got silver. You can see the silver. There's probably also got a layer of platinum in there too. Because you've got gold on the top and silver and a bit of oxidized iron. So this will have quite a few different metals in it. This one. So I'm keeping that one. That's a pretty good sample piece just to sell as is. You can see the round ball at the bottom and you see the tail. So this has come down, hit, and something else has gone on top and it's set. So this is actually an impact. It would have been hot and molten when it first hit. You can tell by the ball and the oxidized iron glass. This has also been carbonized. You can see all the black through it. So this has the potential to have a black diamond in the guards. That's a fact. You get all these types of meteorites everywhere here. So see all the sulfide through the black glass. So a lot of these are about a couple $1,000 each, them ones. So that's actually, they call them Martian meteorites. They're not really Martian meteorites, it's just got similar elements in them as what Mars has. There's plenty of other fucking planets out there that are exactly the same as that. It's not just one Mars out there. We have a fucking universe full of fucking stars and planets, and you think all them come from Mars? Come on. You humans must be stupid now. Like, seriously. You got no idea how any of the minerals form or oxidize. You got no idea where gold, silver and all the other heavy minerals come from. You're literally stupid fucks. And you're trained that way. That's a fact. So, when you actually see, you can see the gold chips in there. I can see them. See how small they are? You literally can see it. So this all comes from this stuff. And this stuff. And this stuff. And this stuff, this has got more iron in it, you can see the rust in it. So this stuff here, all you got to do is soak it in a bit of sugar and vinegar, and after a few weeks they break down and crumble. It's pretty easy to extract it. So once it's all crumbled, I grade it. So I grade it, and you can see the heavy minerals in it. Look at it. Look how much gold. It's all nanite gold, six-sided gold star. A fake culture of primitive fucks stole and think they're fucking superior. That's how funny this is. They stole the alchemical symbol for gold. That's a fact. So once you find it, you do this. So a little bit of water in the mud, and you can see the gold coming out, right? So you shake it a certain way, and all the gold will run out. You see that? It's all the nanite gold, freshly formed, pure gold. It's how gold forms. That's a fact. You can see it. If you can't see that, you're a blind fallen human. That's a fact. So once you condense it, and you just keep adding more and more and more, and it will condense. How do you think nuggets form in nature? Come on. This is easy geology. All you got to use is your brains and eyes, you stupid fucks. So that's all the drain off. This has got some pretty cool stuff in it too. So it's not just gold you get off. You also get lead and everything else. There's probably a bit of copper in that lot too. So, and that's all the heavy mud. Real heavy mud. They'll have all the real fine stuff in that lot. That's all the stuff that went through and drained off. So the real heavy chunky gold sticks to the pan. All the real light gold I drain off. So you can see this is the last one I did. Alright, now look at this. How much gold can you guys do, you dumbasses? Seriously. You guys think I'm joking. How much gold can you do, idiots? You can't even see it's gold. That's how fucking primitive you fucks are now. That's a fact. Alright? You can see it. Right? That's just the fucking wash off water. I collect all the heavy. So all the heavy's here. You can see the colour of it when it's wet. Now what's this? Alright? It's not even going to focus on me today. So you can see how fine the gold particle is. So this stuff here, that's what it looks like wet. This is what it dries to. Can you see that? That's all sulfur, gold, iron, silver, and other heavy metals. So this is big money. This is what the scum Freemason retarded fucks who rule the world blocked. And that's heavy. It's all heavy. Mineral. Gemstones, sapphires, impact diamonds, you name it, they blocked. You know, they got no idea how shit works here. That's fact. That's why they keep going broke. That's why they keep being in debt. They got no clue how shit works. None of them. Not one fucking human, not one ruling class of human knows what the fuck they're talking about. That's a fact. Not one fucking scumbag human knows anything here. That's a fact. Seriously, I've got fucking gemstones that will boggle your mind. I've got diamonds that will boggle your mind. Argyle, fucking black diamonds, impact sapphires, black glass opals, meteorite fragments. Do you fucking think I'm joking, you primitive fucks? Seriously. This is everywhere if you know where to look. If you got a fucking brain. Sadly, you cunts don't anymore. And you wonder why it's humans' last days. I'll see you next time, scum humans.